Need my fucking GoPro. I've got to get another GoPro. Hopefully this is filming.
I don't like winter that much. I really don't want to be here.
Yeah, and that's another thing. Like the
I can't leave.
consistency to get up here.
Well, not if you're already up here. You're just up here.
Yeah, good point.
Man, that addition is sick. It used to be just that tiny little piece on the right. And they like went to put on an addition, and it got out of hand, and the addition's like 3/4 of the house now.
God damn.
Yeah, upgrade.
Fucking Rockefeller.
Parents live right there.
Very cool.
It's beautiful up here. Really
Oh man, I love it. I love it. And then you consider there's got to be moose that cross right up here. I mean, all through here, you know.
Come right into the yard.
Yeah. Wow.
Bear and whatnot.
Yeah.
All the things.
Stuff you don't want to be hanging out at nighttime with.
I don't know. Growing up in this, there's all the hiking beauty. All the taking in.
I stopped right there, right back there this morning. Fucking got all kinds of pictures. I'll post all those later. I got a wicked video of Brandon Gap. That was cool. Fucking had classical music blurring the whole like 6 or 8 minute video. It was pretty funny. It was cool. But yeah, perfect morning for it. It really was. It was cold. The sun was out. And yeah, it was awesome. I love cruising early. And like I say, perfect example is there's nobody on the road. You know, that's the best part.
I smile a lot, but I don't really like people.
What, cruising?
Oh no, I love cruising.
Yeah, yeah.
But I don't have, I have like negative